Hi everyone, today we will start C1101 equipment nozzling. First of all, we drag here the equipment. We have completed two equipment D1201 equipment and C1101 equipment. We just modify here. Here left nozzles. Today we will complete all the nozzles. Here nozzle is there. Here nozzle M1, then M2. Here M2 is there. Then M3 also, M3 here. Then other nozzles are there. They are given a specification here, nozzle specifications and size and rating, all those things. 300 rating, all the nozzles are 300 rating. M1, M3 is 450 and totally 12 nozzles are there with three main holes. So we will start now. So being on the equipment, so here put remol, okay. Then drag only one equipment here. Then type here command axis at C, then enter. Sorry, axis at CE, then enter. The axis will show here on the side, on the bottom side. Then being on the equipment, go to the equipment, then click the creating the nozzle, create here nozzles, then name M1, M1 NC nozzle. M1 is already there. We're using somewhere. So 0 M1, then enter, then NC nozzle. What is the rating? Here they are given M1, M2, M3, 250 size and 300 rating. So we will create here only 300 rating. 300 rating, 450 nozzle size, then height. Just being on the command, go to model, to the side view here. M1, M2, M3. All nozzles are here. M1, M2 nozzles height is from center to here 900 is there. So 900 and M3 also 900 also there. So go to model. Then height is 900. Then enter. Temperature, pressure though they are not given. So being on the equipment, our equipment is here only. So here position is there, nozzle position only. So here align with short direction. How it's looking short direction being on the, this one is a north direction, this one is a south. So our nozzles are short direction, all M1, M2, M3, all are short direction only, M1, M3, M4. No, sorry, M1, M2, M3. So being on the equipment, so go to the model, then give short direction here. Then what is the elevation value and south value? South value is already we know 900. Then south value we are aligned with. Then up, how much is up is there? Being on the equipment with the value here, they taken 2316 M1 position from here to, from here to they are taken 2316. So being on the equipment by up 2316, then enter. Okay. Then next, they taken being on the equipment. Then second M2 nozzles. We can copy offset here. Copy offset between 2316 minus 134441. Okay. So it's better to take a new nozzle also. 231613441 Q 13441 13441 minus 2316 minus 2316, then enter 11125 11125. Okay, being on the M1 nozzle, home, copy offset, then copy offset in which direction? Z direction with the positive value, Z direction with positive value. How much is there? 11125. Then enter, then apply. Created copies, yes. Return the created copies, yes. Cancel. Here one more nozzle will come. This one is a M2. Rating also same. Go to rename, then set here 0 M2, then apply. Rename all here, then apply, then cancel. Okay, being on the equipment, go to the equipment, then create the nozzle one more. Nozzle name is 0 M3. Okay, then NC 300 to 50 rating, height 900. Here 900 is there, then enter, then next south value and align with south direction, then enter, then north to south direction already is there, 900, then enter. By up, how much is there? Third nozzle M3 21594. M3 from center to here 21594 21594. So go to the model 21594 21594 21594. Okay, 21594. Okay, then go to model, then next here it will create. Okay, nozzle, 3 nozzles are created. Being on the equipment, go to it here. There is a one M1 nozzle. N1 nozzle, looking on N1 nozzle. Okay, N1 nozzle here. They are given value elevation 270. Then M1 is north direction. They are given north. N1 on north direction. Then 838 total height from center to distance of the nozzle. So we will go to the model, then being on equipment, create a nozzle. Already is there 0 and 1. Because I'm taking 0 means because already I have created a N1 nozzle. Same, it not take the same names repeatedly. So NC nozzle is there. Then go to the 300 rating are same. Then go to the model. Go to the sheet. The N1 nozzle specifications. N1 is 100 mm. Then 300 rating we are taken already. So go to the model. Then we will take here 838. 838 height, then nozzle size is 100 mm. Okay, then temperature pressure they are not given. Then align with north direction. Here align with north direction, then enter, then give the value north here north 838, 838, then elevation is 970. Okay, give the elevation 970, then enter, then next. Okay, look down, right click, then top view, then select. Okay, and one created here. So second one is okay, and one we are created. So now we will create N3 and 2 here is there, offset is there. North means this one is a north, south, this one is east, west. Okay, N3 nozzle is south side is there. Okay, here N3 where it is N3. They are given N3 value here 4830. Okay, go to the model, go to the create, being on the equipment, then create nozzle N3 0 and 3. Okay, then NC 300 and rating are all same. Then bore diameter N3 bore, what is the bore? N3, check here N3 200. Okay, 200 diameter, being on the model 200, click here 200. Then height, what is the height of the nozzle? And 3 838. Okay, from surface face to center 838, 838. Then create, then go to align with north south east west direction already is there. Then how much is there? East side 838, then enter. East or west, sorry, west here 838. Then go to up direction. Up how much is there? Being on the equipment, up how much is there? 4830, 4830, 4830. Then enter, then next. Okay, then same nozzle is there, then copy offset and give the values here. One means looking at shape direction and 2 and 2 how much is there, and 2 where it is looking the b direction only, from here it will there, it is there, and 2 and 2 and 2 is there, and 2 and 7 and 2 here. Okay, elevation is 36 double 1. It's a offset nozzle, huh? 3611. Okay, go to the 3611. So copy offset. How much offset is there? Here they are given offset from here to here 380. Okay, go to our model. Direction here 0. Then y direction 380. Then apply. Yes. Cancel. Nozzle name and 2. rename 0 and 2, then enter, then apply, then cancel. Oh, 0 and 2. Okay. So the being on the nozzle, go to equipment, go to the modify nozzle here. Okay. 830 the waste is there. No, north value also there. Here we will give up value only. Up value how much is there? N2 is 3611. 3611. 3611. Then enter. Then next here. Okay. We are created. Then go to the model. N2 is completed. N3 we are already created. N2 and 3. N2 also completed. N3 also completed. N4. Where it is N4? N4 on the top of the nozzle, I think. N4, 10, 11, 17, 18, and 6. We will create N6. Okay. N6. Here also a copy offset from north direction. How much? 381. Or the elevation is N6. N6 here also N6 13380. Go to the model N6 N6. Sorry, it will not take. N6 NC 300 and how much bore is there? N6 nozzle N600 bore diameter is 100. Okay, being on the diameter, go to N600. Okay, then height, how much height is there? N6, it will check here. We can N6. Okay, 787 from center to here. They're given how much? 787. Here is there 787. Okay, 787. Go to here, then give 787. Then temperature pressure is not given here. Then align with north direction here. North direction, then enter. Then north, how much they are given? 787. Then enter. Then offset is how much is there? West 381, I think. 381. Okay, 381. 381. Then enter. Okay. Then next, migrated to here now N6 now also. Then N8, N7. Then copy routed here east direction. We will provide first nozzle here east direction. Then we'll move here. Okay. How much is there? N8. N8. How much distance is there? N8 41144. Okay. So N8, check the size of the nozzle. N8 50 50. Okay. N7 N8 50 50. Okay. N7. This one is N7 N8. N7 is where it is N7. Okay. N7 elevation is here. We will create N8 or otherwise N7 N9 N7 also. So I am taking N8 411 4144 4144, creating here nozzles, being on this, then create a nozzle N8 0 and 8 0 and 8 diameter 318, then diameter is 50 mm, then height, how much height is there? 838 I think. How much they are given? 838 here. They are given 838. So we go to the model and give the height 838. Then enter, pressure temperature same, align with east direction. Then enter, east direction. Okay. Then move east. How much? 838. 838. Then enter. Nozzle is here. Then rotate by here from 30 degree. Okay. Rotate. Okay, why we can create here also. One more method is there. Being on the nozzle, go to home, copy rotate here. Okay, because I want to create here one, two nozzle here, three nozzles here. Then copy rotate. Go to the copy rotate. Go to cursor, design point. Then select here center. Okay, then 30 degree. How much? 30 degree. Then enter. Then apply here. Okay. Yes. Then cancel. Go to the model. Go to the equipment. Modification. Nozzle modification. 757 and 8. Name here 00 and 8. Okay. And 8. Okay. 00 and 8, because already is here and 8 is there. So we can't able to create the same name and repeat it againly. 50 mm and 8. Okay. Then 838 is to how much is there from direction 838. Go to the model 838, then enter here, then north value, don't repeat north value here rotated now. Okay, okay, control Z. Then up elevation, how much is there? They're given a net elevation 4144. 4144. Okay. 4144. Or it's triple four. 4144. Okay. Then go to model. Then next it will create it. Being on the nozzle and net, because N7 also in the same position, and net N7 also the same position, just offset here. How much is there? N7 is here. You can create here same size, same, and we are repeating here. 30 degree and 30 degree here only. I will create a N10 here. Okay, N10. Being on this equipment, go to home, uh, home, then go to rotate, rotate by advanced. Okay, then click here, cursor, design point, then select center here, and select here, then minus 35, minus 35 degree, then apply, then apply, then okay. Being on the nozzle, go to equipment, modify, nozzle modification, N08 and 10, and 10 and 10 only. Then 300 and then how much rating is rating also same. Then says is and 10 50 mm. Okay. Then elevation and 10. Okay, elevation here they are taken given. Just erase here. 4490. 4490. Just change the elevation value here. Go to model. Just give here 4144. Okay. How much is there? 4144. Okay. Then next it will create it here. Then you can create here. Same nozzles are there. Okay. We can create one more nozzle from top of the surface. Okay. Go to the equipment. Here one more nozzle is there. The nozzle name is N5. This one is a N5. Then there is a N2. Okay. N5 and N2. N5. Okay, I will create N5 one. N5 nozzle here. 150 diameter, 300 rating. Okay, N5 nozzle. Okay, N5 nozzle. N5. 150, 300 rating. Go to 0 and 5. Enter 300, 300 rating here. Then go to 150 here. Then height. Height you can take 300 mm. Then go to next. Align with up. Then go to up elevation. How much is that? Just check here elevation value. Just check. Elevation is from here to here, and 5 is there. And 5 nozzle face the nozzle is double two 687. Double two 687. Elevation double two 687. Then both the east and south value is 0 because it's the creating on the center. Then next it will create it here. Okay. One more nozzle is there. Just to look down here. Being on the nozzle, copy offset, how much? Home, copy offset. How much is the distance between two nozzle is 250 is there. Okay. 250 copy offset on y direction. 250 x direction. 250. Then enter. Then apply. Yes. Then cancel. And the nozzle modification. Go to the equipment. Go to the nozzle modification. Then name and 12 and 12. Okay. Then NC nozzle 300 rating. I think 50 mm diameter. 50 mm diameter. Elevation. What is elevation? (206) from the center. So just down here 50 mm. 50 mm. Okay. Double 2687 is there. Then 50 6 8 double 2 6 50. Randomly I am taken. Okay, no issue. Being on a nozzle, go to home, rotation, advance, then click here cursor, design point, then select the center of the equipment, then rotation, how much you want the rotation here, 45 degree. Okay, minus 45 degree, minus 45 degree, then enter, then apply, click created here, then cancel. Here equipment, our all the nozzles are created here. Okay, remaining some nozzles are there, just you have to practice. Then save your work, save, then give the position value. We are created the how to create a position. Already I discussed. Then go to here, then the value. Okay, I taken north value and west value and C1101. C1101, where is the one? From set of the bridge 1,03,005 is there. Just go here and give the elevation value. As we are given D1201 equipment, same it is. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching.